Hello guys, for part 2 today I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to the TV. If you're watching this video for the first time, just to let you know that I'm using the LG 4K UHD Smart TV here. So as usual, click home and go to dashboard. Connecting iPhone and Android is the same for this way. If you want, you can scan this QR code and download the recommended apps. But this smart TV already have Airplay built inside, so you can connect your iPhone directly. Please click the Airplay button. Make sure your iPhone is connected with the same Wi-Fi on the TV, and then just click this screen mirroring. From the list, then choose the TV display on the screen. For the first time user, you need to enter the code displayed on the screen for a start. So this thing you can change in the settings later, and then as simple as that, your iPhone screen is casting to the TV directly. So now I'll show you how does it looks like if you want to play a video. Let's try YouTube again. As you can see, you don't need to rotate your phone, as it will immediately mirror or cast the entire device screen to the TV. This is the difference that you can see with Android screen mirroring from the video before. Other thing you can do through Airplay are to display your gallery to the TV. For example, let's say maybe you want to show to your whole family the pictures and videos you have taken during Hari Raya, right? So you just simply go to your gallery and the medias will be mirrored to your TV directly. So all your family can watch it at the same time. So for example only your iPhone, no wire needed, or no other device needed, so you can mirror your phone directly to the TV. Or you can use this feature to ease your children's life, because nowadays most of the education have turned to online or digitalized because of the pandemic, right? So watching lectures or reading on small screen like this for a long time could cause headache and eyesore. So why don't you students let your children use a function like this for your study, right? So go big with screen mirroring lah. So that's all for this video. Comment below if you have any question that want us to answer. Thank you for watching. See you again.